Welcome to Panlasang Pinoy in KSA. Now, we are going to cook spicy chicken biryani. So here are the ingredients. We need 1 big whole tomato sliced, 2 big-sized red onion sliced, 2 medium-sized carrots and potatoes. We also need 1 can of peeled tomatoes and the classic pure cow ghee. We also made our ginger garlic paste. Gumamit tayo ng 1 cloves of garlic at 1 small size of ginger blended. And we're gonna need biryani masala powder. And for the rice, we used the basmati kernel rice. Gagamit din tayo ng 4 pieces of egg, boiled and peeled para sa ating garnish. So una na natin niluto ang 1 whole chicken cut into medium-sized pieces and cooked in a pan. So let's start. So we are using olive oil or any kinds of oil that you prefer. So once mainit na ang oil, we just need to saute the onions. There are some ingredients that are not mentioned, so please stay tuned while we are putting some of the ingredients here in our spicy chicken biryani. So next is we need to put the ginger garlic paste and then stir it well. So while we are waiting, let's prepare our rice. So we are using 850 grams of rice, so just follow the package on how to cook it. And this one, we just need to cook it medium, so not cook it very well. So let's go back. So we just add 5 to 6 pieces cardamom seeds, and then we put our sliced tomatoes, and then we just need to stir it well. So we're going to add the biryani masala powder. This is 65 grams or isang pack. And as you can see, we are making it as a paste. So we added 1/2 teaspoon of mixed masala and 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Mix it well to create a paste. Okay, and we need to add 1/2 cup of water.
1 cup of water.
Mix it. And we need to add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Okay, so mix it well. And now we're gonna put that pre-cooked chicken, and we just need to mix it well. Make sure na mahahalo ito at mababalot ng biryani sauce ang chicken. And then we need to add the tomato peeled. No need to put all. Magtira lang tayo ng konti dun sa baba. Then mix it well. At ito na, to make it spicy, we added 10 to 12 pieces of green chili. So, pwede niyo siyang i-adjust depende sa panlasa nyo. But for me, I prefer it to be more spicy. Next, we add the carrots and the potato diced. And then we don't need to mix it. And then we just need to cover and simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. So let's just check the rice. So the rice should be medium cook. So we just need to drain the water and set aside. Okay, let's go back. After 5 to 7 minutes, we can now stir it and mix it well. So we just need to bring it to boil. So halu-haluin lang natin, just mix it. And then we just need to add 2 cups of hot water. So hayaan lang natin siyang mag-boil. Okay, and then we will add the medium cooked rice. So we just need to flatten it. Okay, and then we need to add 3 tablespoons of ghee. So we don't have enough of ghee, so we also use as an alternative unsalted butter. So we just need to mix it well. Make sure that all the rice is mixed well with the sauce that we have in the chicken.
So of course, because the rice
So yan, dapat ganito. And then we need to add 3 cups of hot water para mas maluto ng tuluyan ang rice. So we need to make sure that the rice will be fully cooked. Then we just need to cover it.
for how many minutes?
So mga 10 to 12 minutes, we just need to check it time to time para malaman na luto na ang chicken and of course ang potato. Once it's fully cooked, we need to add some chopped cilantro leaves. This will add flavor and aroma sa ating chicken biryani. And then cover and let it cook for a few minutes in a low fire. So, yung ating 4 pieces of boiled egg, we just need to cut it into half and sprinkle it with chili powder. Of course, we want it to be spicy. And then in a hot pan, fry the sliced boiled egg. So mga few minutes lang, and then you just need to turn it over para lang ma-fry yung egg. And then after that, we just need to put it on top as a garnish. So now it's ready. So here's our spicy chicken biryani. So of course, best enjoyed din ito with salad. So gumamit tayo ng small, finely sliced carrot, 1/2 sliced red onion, 1 medium-sized fresh tomato, and 2 pieces chopped green chili. Meron din itong chopped cilantro leaves. So mag-add din tayo ng 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and then we just to mix it well. So masarap ito together with our spicy chicken biryani. So just serve hot and enjoy. So this is our spicy chicken biryani recipe by Mirza. Thank you so much for watching. Ito ang ating spicy chicken biryani dito lang sa Panlasang Pinoy in KSA.